Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing fine. Compliments of the season. Hope you're having a great time during this season. In case this is your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Sophia and I make hair and beauty videos. So consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell for notification. Today we're going to be making this super powerful hair growth oil using 3 common ingredients that we all know. And my first ingredient here is rosmarino. I have 30 grams of rosmarino here. Rosmarino is very good and has some amazing nutrients when it comes to hair growth. Then next I'm going to be adding amla powder. I got this from Amazon in case you're interested, and I'm going to be using this measuring spoon that came along with it. I'll be putting 2 of this spoon into my blender. Once I'm done adding the powder amla, I'm going to be adding 150 ml of sunflower oil. Then I'll go ahead also and add 100 ml, as you can see here, 100 ml of olive oil into my mixture. And then I'll go ahead and close my blender and then blend it till it's smooth. So once I'm done blending that, I'm going to put it aside, and then I'll come in with half fresh aloe vera already washed. I'm going to go ahead now and slice it into small pieces. So once I have my aloe vera ready, I'm going to go ahead now and put my pan on the stove, and then I'll pour everything, both the aloe vera and the oil that I blended using amla and rosemary. So once everything is ready, I'm going to stir it for a while. Here I went ahead to add extra 50 ml of olive oil because I saw that the oil was a bit small, so I added a little bit of oil because my ingredients was more than the oil. That's why I added it. And then once I've added that, I'm going to stir it, and so I'll wait for it to heat up for like 5 minutes. Here I have my extra aloe vera, the one that I didn't use because it was much, so I used half of it and I stored half of it in the freezer. Once my oil has heated up for 5 minutes, I'm going to take it down and then I pour it into this container. I didn't heat the oil for long because I did not want to lose any of the nutrients. That's why I'm putting it inside this container. I'm going to go ahead now and stir it together, and then I cover the container and I'll store it in a cool and dark place overnight so that all my ingredients will infuse very well into the oil. So this is the next day. I took out my oil. So you can see it's very dark, which means all my ingredients has infused into the oil. I'm going to go ahead now and filter it to remove the dirt and extract the oil from it. So once I've filtered it, my oil is ready to be used. I'm going to transfer it now into my application bottles. So as I've shown, I just applied the oil directly to my scalp and massage it. First, I added spray in water and then I applied the oil to my scalp to seal in moisture. You should apply this 3 times at least a week to get good results. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you on my next. God bless you. Bye bye.